Rocketbook. Rocketbook is a very thin notebook, which I personally love it very much. So after you write already, you can actually use a wet tissue or even just a tissue with water to wipe it clean. Then if you want, you can always scan it, upload it into your Evernote or your Dropbox or any or such things, such servers. So you can always change, you can always decide which one you're going to save it in. So each of these little icon is actually a place that you can save your documents in. And it also works very well with like hashtags. So whenever I do my writing, for example, I will take my notes down. For example, I will say, okay, hashtag Google. So all the notes that I've taken on Google will all be collated together in one place.